The benefits of microinsurance for the insureds can seem fairly obvious. They are managing their risk through low-cost coverage that they may not otherwise be eligible to receive, either due to premium paying capacity or insurability conditions. But why should insurers and carriers care? Can microinsurance help the bottom line? Diamond Management Technology Consultants Marik Brockman says it can.
Yeah. So this is where I think you notice it's a lot of the bigger players. So if Chartis and Allianz and Swiss Re and New York Life and other folks getting into this worldwide, certainly still you're dealing with some of the larger carriers. But there's you could say sort of a 3-time horizon approach to this. One is in the near term. We could call it near and medium term. There is the potential for some return. And not so much in the absolute near term, but even in the medium term, as folks who may be on the verge of lower to middle class start to come into the microinsurance market, those are folks who in a matter of, let's say, a decade might be buying more traditional products. So it's kind of a near to medium term. There's then, I think, the next wave, and this is where I think it's more interesting, to the extent that a lot of large multinational, multi-line carriers really enter markets from the commercial perspective. There's a shift towards really thinking more consumer. And this is where you can actually get innovative. So if distribution, so product design and distribution and marketing and even servicing these policies, scalability is really important. And being able to think about microinsurance as a way to learn more, big carriers are already realizing the consumer approach, whether microinsurance or mass market, there's a need to get scalable and get innovative. And there's a medium-term benefit to thinking about microinsurance when you are truly constrained. That's the mother of invention right there. Then I'd say long-term, helping to develop these nations. I mean, that's nation building, and it's kind of more grassroots, local sense, as opposed to the big kind of commercial multinationals coming in and having to develop huge products in order to get the country rolling. So there's a longer-term sort of emerging markets trend here in terms of getting the whole planet up to speed and developed.